What's going on? Welcome to another unboxing. This one is the April unboxing for month end. I got my beverage on hand, and this time we're having an Asahi. This is definitely one of my favorite beers. You know what? Let me know in the comments. Are you a beer drinker? You don't drink at all? Wine? Rum? What do you like to drink? Let me know. Cheers if you have a drink with you as well. Anyways, most likely this video will be going on YouTube tonight. If I don't get enough time, then first thing tomorrow morning. But anyways, let's get this unboxed and see what we got here. Again, another order from carzilla.ca. Invoices first. Okay, so this order cost me a total of $117.56, taxes in. Part of the reason it's so cheap is because I used $30 in Carzilla points. Another huge benefit of using Carzilla for your detailing supplies. Tons of this paper. I actually like that they put all this stuff in there because once in a while I use this to stuff my dress shoes. Keeps the shape. Okay, so that's it for the actual packaging. Let's go start with this. First thing is just a bottle of Bead Maker, the empty 32-ounce bottle. And I got that because, let's see if I can find it here. I don't have it around, but my little bottle of Bead Maker, it fell and the little top broke off. That's why I actually hate this style of bottle. I don't know why, but I must be clumsy or something. I drop a lot of these and they just break so easily. But this, way better. So I'll get the Bead Maker in there, and then probably gonna order another gallon of that soon as well. Let's put that to the side. Alright, next here we have Koch Chemie Gummifix. So this is a product that I'm actually super excited. I saw another video about it, and apparently it's able to restore rubber or plastic and all that kind of stuff to a like new appearance without any slipperiness. So definitely super excited to try that. I've never seen a product before that is able to, at least to 100%, not make a surface slippery, especially floor mats. Even if you dilute a water-based dressing, you're still gonna have that slight slipperiness always. But hopefully this works, and first product by this company as well. So interesting. Look at this. They always do this. They always tape up the cap. And then I'm guessing that goes with that. This might be for the Gummifix, or that might have been for the Bead Maker. I'm not sure. Next here we have another product by Koch Chemie. And I know I'm butchering that name, but that's kind of the running joke when it comes to any video with their products in it. This is Magic Wheel Cleaner. I bought this only because somebody commented in one of my videos suggesting I should try it. So I figured it might make a good review video. We'll see if it's any better than any of the other cheaper wheel cleaners that we have in our arsenal here. Next is just a little Hex tire applicator pad from Adams, I believe it is. It's pretty standard. I've never tried an applicator like this. I usually just use a microfiber towel. But the shape is super ergonomical, so we'll see how that goes. Put that to the side. And then, actually the only reason I bought this was because I was like $5 away from getting the detailer sample, so knowing me, I'm like, you know what? Oh, look at that. Car Pro Pearl. That is awesome. little sampler. Can't wait to try that. See, all their little samplers like that are worth at least $5 to $10, and you get that after you hit a certain threshold of, I guess, purchase price or whatever. A couple more trigger sprayers here. So the Gummifix, I don't think actually has a trigger, now that I think of it. Okay, last but not least here. And by the way, I know you guys, if you watch my videos, you already know that I am a huge supporter of Carzilla. Everything here comes from Carzilla. 90% of what I buy comes from Carzilla. And I do have a discount code for those guys, so it's going to be right here, Car Detailing 5. I'll list everything that I bought here in the description, as well as how much it was for. And then if you want to go and get it, you can get 5% using the discount code. So go check that out. Okay, we got 3 more items here. These are the items I'm kind of the most excited about. First one is DIY Detail Quick Beads. Relatively new company on the market. Definitely a new company to me. I've never had any experience with any of their products before, except for watching a ton of their YouTube videos with Ivan LaCroix and Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing. So awesome packaging. Like, look how sleek that looks. I'm not a fan of the bottle style, but again, it's probably the most popular in the market right now. I'd much rather they go with something like this, or at least offer something like this, and then let us buy this in the gallon, but you know, down the line. So that's Quick Beads. We'll try that out. We'll compare that to the G-On Wet Coat. And Brian from, one second here. Brian from Fab Automotive Detailing says that he likes this better, so I'll compare the two and see if I concur with that. Next here we have All Clean by DIY Detail again. Cool bottled. Their marketing and packaging is on point. That's the first thing I'll say about DIY Detail right now. Now, having never used their products before, my first impressions is that they definitely care about their image, so that's nice to see. So I'll put those to the side. So 2 new brands now in my collection, DIY and Koch Chemie. And the last thing here is probably the thing I'm most excited about is DIY Detail's Incredible Suds here. And this thing, again, do I need another car wash soap? Absolutely the fuck not. I have so much car wash soap, it's unbelievable. But still, I'm gonna crack that one open because I've seen nothing but good things on YouTube so far about this product, and it's not just from their YouTube channel. Individuals who have reviewed this product seem to like it a lot. It's very thin, or at least it appears to be. But add 2 to 3 ounces to your wash bucket, 4 to 5. Apparently that's wrong. It's only supposed to be an ounce. And this is, I'm told it's a pH of 8. I'm gonna crack each one of these open and see what they smell like, except for the Koch Chemie. Ooh. That is like a blueberry / grape smell, and the color is kind of blue to purple. Pour a little bit in the cap. You can kind of see through the bottle too. It's actually very purple, which is interesting. Look at that. So definitely excited to see how that does in the foam cannon and in the wash bucket. But that's it for what's in the box there. Just some more packaging. Again, they take a lot of care when they ship over anything to you. Well, that's the haul for this month. Some new products in my arsenal. Again, about 5 different chemicals, 6 if you include the little sampler they give you, and then the spray bottles there are for the Quick Beads. Or sorry, I just call the trigger sprayers a spray bottle, but the trigger sprayers are for the Quick Beads and the All Clean. And then you get the little caps as well if you need them. You can take the tape off of this and see if any of these have a good smell. I'm not going to smell them directly. I'm just going to waft them a little bit. You should always be careful when you're smelling chemicals. It smells really good, actually. Even the quick bead smells pretty good. The last time I smelled a graphene infused sealant that looked just like this was the Atoms, and that nearly knocked me out. Like, if you've smelled that product before, you know how bad it is, and it'll get you, that's for sure. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried DIY Details products and what you think of them. That smells pretty good as well. So all of their chemicals have a pretty decent smell. This is more just a chemical smell, but still with a little tinge to it. But I gotta say, something about their marketing and packaging is really catching my attention. I don't know what it is, but I love their designs. If I was to design a product label, it would be exactly like that. And I really hope DIY Detail, anybody from that company, if you're watching this video, come out with the 32-ounce bottles, please. That would be extremely awesome if you do that. I'd probably end up buying the whole collection. Well, that's it for the unboxing. As you can see, some awesome products added to the collection here. Comment down below. Let me know if you've used any of these products. And again, a reminder, everything's from Carzilla. I'll put everything in the description below in terms of links, prices, all that kind of stuff. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can from Carzilla as well using the discount code right there, CarDetailing5. And before I let you go, let me know, are you a sports fan at all? Are you an NBA Finals type of person or Stanley Cup? I'm more of a Stanley Cup, so I'm not really sure if I'm going with Golden Knights or the Panthers. Let me know in the comments below, are you who are you a fan of if you're cheering for either of those teams? And then if you're more of an NBA type of person, are you Miami Heat or Denver Nuggets? Let us know in the comments. It'd be interesting to see what everyone's opinions are. All right, catch you on the next one. Peace out.